Are you prepared to unlock the boundless potential of your creativity and transform your passion into a lucrative endeavor? Welcome to our comprehensive guide, where we navigate the intricate landscape of blogging, empowering you to carve out your path to success in the digital realm. But before we delve into the nuances of blogging, permit me to extend a heartfelt welcome. Pause for a moment and envisage the endless possibilities that await you. Picture yourself as the architect of a thriving online platform, a sanctuary where your ideas take flight, your voice reverberates, and your endeavors yield tangible rewards. Whether you're an aspiring wordsmith, a seasoned entrepreneur, or simply an individual yearning to share their unique perspective with the world, this video serves as your guiding light in the expansive universe of blogging. So, as we embark on this transformative journey together, let your imagination run wild. Visualize the impact you can make, the lives you can touch, and the legacy you can create. The canvas of the digital age is yours to paint, and the possibilities are limited only by the boundaries of your imagination. Now, with anticipation coursing through your veins and determination blazing in your heart, let us chart a course toward your dreams. Let us unravel the mysteries, overcome the challenges, and celebrate the triumphs that await on this exhilarating voyage. Are you ready to unleash your potential and embark on this extraordinary odyssey? If so, let us journey together, hand in hand, toward a future brimming with promise and prosperity. This expansion emphasizes the excitement and potential of the journey ahead, inviting viewers to envision the transformative impact they can have through blogging. Today, we embark on a journey of exploration and discovery, a journey that will empower you to build your blog from the ground up, step by step. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle into a comfortable spot, and let's dive into the exciting world of blogging. 1. Finding your niche. Every successful blog starts with a niche, a specific topic or area of interest that sets you apart from the crowd. But how do you find your niche? Begin by reflecting on your passions, interests, and areas of expertise. What topics ignite your curiosity? What are you genuinely enthusiastic about? Your niche should be something that excites you and aligns with your unique perspective. Next, conduct thorough research to identify potential niches with significant audience demand. Explore online forums, social media groups, and keyword research tools to gauge interest and competition in various topics. Remember, your niche should strike a balance between passion and profitability. Choose a topic that resonates with you, while also catering to a sizable audience eager for valuable content. 2. Setting up your blog. With your niche selected, it's time to lay the foundation for your blog. The first step: securing a domain name and reliable hosting provider. Your domain name serves as your online identity, so choose wisely. Opt for a name that reflects your blog's topic and resonates with your target audience. Once you've chosen your domain name, it's time to select a hosting provider. Look for a reputable company that offers reliable uptime, fast loading speeds, and excellent customer support. Your hosting provider will be the backbone of your blog, so choose wisely. With your domain and hosting in place, it's time to install WordPress, the most popular blogging platform in the world. WordPress offers a user-friendly interface, customizable themes, and a plethora of plugins to enhance your blog's functionality. 3. Creating compelling content. With your blog set up, it's time to focus on creating compelling content that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Start by developing a content strategy that aligns with your niche and resonates with your target audience. What topics will you cover? How often will you publish new content? Your content strategy should be tailored to meet the needs and interests of your readers. When creating blog posts, aim to provide value to your audience, address their pain points, answer their questions, and offer solutions to their problems. Remember, quality trumps quantity. Focus on producing high-quality, engaging content that showcases your expertise and unique perspective. Don't forget to leverage multimedia elements such as images, videos, and infographics to enhance the visual appeal of your blog posts. Visual content not only helps break up text, but also keeps readers engaged and encourages social sharing. 4. Building your audience. As you continue to create valuable content, focus on building and nurturing your audience. Your readers are the lifeblood of your blog, so it's essential to cultivate a loyal and engaged following. Engage with your audience on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Share your blog posts, respond to comments, and participate in relevant conversations within your niche. Consider starting an email newsletter to stay in touch with your audience and provide them with exclusive content, updates, and special offers. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building relationships and driving traffic to your blog. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of networking and collaboration. Reach out to other bloggers, influencers, and industry experts within your niche. Collaborating with others can help expand your reach, attract new readers, and establish credibility within your industry. 5. Monetizing your blog. As your blog grows and your audience expands, you'll have the opportunity to monetize your platform and generate income from your efforts. One of the most common monetization methods for bloggers is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting products or services from other companies. Look for affiliate programs that align with your niche and offer products your audience will find valuable. Another lucrative monetization strategy is sponsored content, where brands pay you to create content promoting their products or services. Be selective about the brands you partner with and ensure any sponsored content aligns with your blog's values and interests. Additionally, consider selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or exclusive membership content. Digital products allow you to monetize your expertise and provide additional value to your audience. Ultimately, the key to successful monetization is finding a balance between generating revenue and providing value to your audience. Focus on creating authentic, valuable content that resonates with your readers, and the monetization opportunities will follow. So, as you bid farewell to this video, carry with you the knowledge that you hold the power to shape your destiny, one blog post at a time. Embrace the journey, seize the opportunities, and let your voice echo across the digital landscape. If you found this guide insightful and inspiring, don't let the journey end here. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on blogging tips, digital marketing strategies, and entrepreneurial insights. And remember, the greatest adventure lies ahead. So, grab your laptop, ignite your creativity, and embark on the exhilarating journey of blogging.